We are doing a install in a 2019 Ford F150. We are going to do the OBD, so I did run it, and I just tucked it with my fingers up over top of the speaker there, up underneath the headliner, followed it over, went around the A-pillar, and then tucked it all the way down the weather stripping. You are going to see this portion of the wire, and then my flash, I tucked it behind here, so all the extra wiring is in behind here, firmly in place, and then you have the OBD reader down here, as you see by the cool little green light. I did the exact same thing on the other side. So if you look, I ran it up around the A-pillar, followed the weather stripping to the B-pillar, around the B-pillar to the C-pillar, and then I tucked it all the way up the headliner, all the way along. The sliding window always goes passenger side, so I am going to put the camera on the driver's side so that you never have to worry about hitting it. And I did think at one point about putting it on the sliding window, but the cord may or may not come out of the headliner in the future, so I thought it was a better idea to permanently affix it just to the window. So stay tuned for updates. Most important thing when you're setting up your camera is to plug it in, get all the Wi-Fi passwords and everything off of the camera itself, unplug it, slip the collar on to mount it to the window, and power it back up, turn Wi-Fi back on, and use the phone that you will be using to connect to the phone on a regular, or the camera on a regular basis, so that you can put it up and you can actually check where you're looking, because you don't want to put the camera up and then you look at it and you're like, wow, we almost got that close to straight. No, you want to do it properly and make sure it's straight. So do this for both front and back. Connect to the cameras. We have completed probably 30 minutes in. Camera is working and recording. Wi-Fi is on. We have a live preview. Tap here. Boom. We go to the back camera. Works like $1,000,000. For the base model, budget-friendly camera, this is like 90% of what the DR900 is. I love my 4K. I think my 4K is outstanding, but if you're in the market for a dash cam, you want good value, you want a good product. With the OBD sensor, we literally plug and play. You don't have to find fuses, you don't have to find anything. I mean, that picture is crystal clear, and we're taking a video of a phone being transmitted. This is great. So cheers to BlackVue. Installation 30 minutes. Tuck your wires, make it look all seamless. It's all up underneath, all of the weather stripping. Simple.
I'm excited. This thing is awesome. It is next level.
We need some good video.
Get a BlackVue and protect your investment. It is worth every penny.
Absolutely. Stay tuned for a head-to-head comparison between the 900, the 750, and the 590. I'm pretty interested to see how all the video qualities transpire, considering there is a pretty substantial price difference. So, till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.